Hey there, Kevz Tech here. Thank you, Jobilami, all the way from Zimbabwe, for sharpening our smart alarm system with additional sensors to ensure that your premises are totally secured. Our smart alarm system can be used at home, at your office, at your store, or any kind of premises it's capable. You can control the alarm system using the remote control. You can arm, you can disarm the system, and whenever motion is detected, yep, siren goes off. One thing I love about this system is that you can get text messages, so you don't really have to have Wi-Fi in order to use it. Well, in case you have Wi-Fi, you can also control it through the app. You can arm, you can disarm the system, and as usual, you always get real-time notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.